To this video. Today I am going to show you how you can interact with AI in a whole new way. With Google AI Studio, you can now share your screen with Gemini. That means you don't have to type out everything again and again. Instead, the AI will actually be there with you while you are working, watching your screen and helping you out in real time. It's like having a super smart assistant right by your side. Let's dive in and see how it works. Go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account. This will take you to your dashboard. There are so many things to explore here, but what I am to show you is this specific option. With this option, you can share your screen with Gemini. Hello, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It appears to be a Google Sheets document.
I want to highlight all the cells in column G that are greater than 1000.
Okay, I understand. You'd like to highlight all the cells in column G that contain values greater than 1000.
Yes, guide me step by step on how I can do it.
Sure, I can guide you step by step on how to do that. First, select the entire column G by clicking on the column header labeled G. Then, what would you like to do next?
I want to highlight all the cells that are greater than 1000.
Okay, now that you've selected column G, go to the Format menu, then select Conditional Formatting. A sidebar will appear on the right side. Under Format Rules, click on the dropdown that says Format Cells If and choose Greater Than. In the Value or Formula field, enter 1000. Then, you can choose the formatting style, such as the background color or the text color. Finally, click Done. All the cells in column G that have values greater than 1000 should now be highlighted with the style you chose. Does that make sense?
Okay, please tell me how I can create a chart.
Now that you've highlighted the cells, would you like to create a chart based on this data?
Yes.
Okay, you want to create a chart based on the entire table, I understand. To create a chart, first select all the data in your table, including the headers. Then go to the Insert menu and click on Chart. Google Sheets will suggest a chart type based on your data, but you can change it using the chart editor that will appear to the right of your screen. Would you like me to help you further with this?
That's it. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.